Hello YouTube. Today I'll show you how to fix the grinding issue with the satellite M50D models of Toshiba laptops. Before we start though, I'll just mention if your laptop is still under warranty, don't do this. It will void your warranty. Instead, send that laptop back to Toshiba for fixing. Now that we cleared out of the way, you'll need three things. Your Toshiba laptop, a crosshead or a flathead screwdriver, and an adhesive strip. You can typically find these at your local hardware store. First, we'll start by rotating the laptop on its back. You'll see 4 rows of screws, 2 on the left and 2 Forgot one screw though. Forgot another screw. Now, I already applied the adhesive strip to my laptop's fan. And the reason why this works is because of the metal plate is because of this laptop's poor design. Okay, now I already applied the adhesive strip to my laptop's fan, and the reason why this works is because of this laptop's poor design. Basically what happens is that whenever you hold your hand on the laptop surface, like this, it bends this metal piece inwards, and eventually it will bend so much it will make contact with the fan, which is obviously what makes that horrible grinding noise. Now, after you have applied the adhesive strips back in, next we can screw the 4 screws back in. I mean three, sorry. The 3 screws back in,